As we have already talked in so much detail about supernova, we are going to talk about sun today. The sun is a star, and if it explodes, it will be referred as a supernova. The blast will be so powerful and extremely bright. The explosion's dust will result in the formation of more stars and planets. This is how our solar system was constructed, right? If our sun exploded as a supernova, the resulting shockwave probably wouldn't incinerate the entire Earth, but the side of the Earth facing the sun would boil away. Scientists estimate that the planet as a whole would increase the temperature to roughly 15 times hotter than our sun's normal surface temperature. All the plants would die, and eventually, all animals that rely on plants for food, including humans, would die too. While some inventive humans might be able to survive on the sunless Earth for several days, months, or even years, life without the sun would eventually prove to be impossible to maintain on Earth. Well, yet you don't need to be afraid of it because our sun is not massive enough to collapse into a black hole. The sun will have the more modest but still devastating death. Roughly 10 billion years from now, eventually the fuel of the sun, hydrogen, will run out. When this happens, the sun will begin to die. The sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is a massive, nearly perfect ball of hot plasma heated to incandescence by nuclear fusion reaction in its core, radiating the energy from its surface mainly as visible light and infrared radiation with 10% at ultraviolet energies. When those 5 billion years are up, the sun will become a red giant. This means that the sun will get bigger and cooler at the same time. When that happens, it will be different than the sun we know today. As a red giant, our sun will become about 2000 times brighter than it is now. In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust fuel and expand to the red giant, a phase of its life cycle. Then it will have a significant impact on our solar system, potentially affecting the planets and their habitability.